I am excited to share that Premier has been recognized as a top workplace, a national award featured in USA Today. Our journey from receiving the top regional award to receiving the national recognition speaks volumes about our growth, our culture, and most importantly, our team members. This award is a testament to where we've been, how we've grown, and where we're headed. Our employees have built a top-notch culture through their engagement, innovation, and commitment to excellence. We listen to them and we ensure their voices are heard. And in turn, they are the ambassadors of our culture. They are the reason we are here today. And I feel immense gratitude for every member of our Premier work family. It is our teams who breathe life into our values and our mission, making Premier a place of purpose and integrity. And from the moment a new employee joins us, I always tell them this: you have been deputized to become a culture ambassador. And as ambassadors, our employees are second to none. They carry our culture forward in moments both large and small. And to those who wish to join us, we're not looking for people to fit into Premier. We're looking for folks who already have the DNA of our culture as a part of their wiring. We empower and we encourage every employee to own their role and to carry our culture beyond the walls of Premier, extending them into connecting with our customers, our vendors, and our community. We see our company as a home away from home, where we care for each member of our team and their families far beyond the place of employment. So whether sending a Premier teddy bear when a baby is born or sending a handwritten note and flowers during hard times, we are consistently forging genuine connections that run deeper than a paycheck because we care. To our current and future team members, know that you are the architects of our success. Our culture is possible because of your engagement, your ideas, and the care that we all share. So thank you for being a part of our journey to becoming a nationally recognized top workplace. Together, let's continue to build a culture that not only attracts the best and delivers the best experience for our customers, but brings the best in all of us.